Okay, here we are again. This is Morutech Global Engineering Services, and today we are in this site to install 1 kVA system with one tubular battery, 230 amps, 12 volts. So here we are unboxing the battery. You can see we are unboxing the battery. Yes, this is how to unbox your tubular battery inside the carton. Yes, we are unboxing the battery, and you can see the battery. We have opened the carton and see the first thing we see on the styrofoam is the battery indicator that we'll put on the tight on the top of the battery to indicate our acid battery level, which is the electrolyte inside the battery. And again, we are removing the battery from the carton. Yes, so this is how you carefully remove it, and you take the battery out from the carton so that you can use it for your installation. So gradually we are removing the battery from the carton. Yes, so immediately we remove the battery, we remove it from the cellophane. Yes, this is the battery, and this is our inverter. We are using a 1 kVA Unicron product inverter 12 volt system. So this is the inverter. We are boxing the inverter. Yes, this is what we'll be using for the installation today. One battery of 12 volt 230 amps and 1 kVA Unicron transformer based inverter. And this is the inverter. Right away we are boxing the inverter. Yes, this is 1 kVA inverter which can power basic home appliances. So this is the inverter. We have brought it out, and this is what is inside the carton. Yes, this is 1 kVA transformer based Unicron product inverter. Yes, so this is what we'll be connecting right away. So we are up to the roof now. Yes, this is me on the roof. It's engineer Isaiah on the roof installing the panel rack. Yes, this is me installing the panel rack on the roof. Yes, before you bring up your panels, you have to install your panel rack on the roof. That is where your panel will sit. Yes, so this is me on the roof installing the panel rack that will place our panel on, so that nothing will happen to the panel. Even breeze or anything will affect the panel. The panel will be stationary here, and they will be strong in this place. But this is the first phase. When you get to the roof, after taking your measurement, you have to install your panel rack. Here we are using height and length on the roof, which is some people call profile, and the other one the L bar, which is at the base. So this is my panel. I'm bringing up 220 watts solar panel to the roof. Yes, so this is the panel. Yes, this is 300 watt mono solar panel. We are bringing it up to the roof, and this is it. This is me on losing the panel, right, to place on the what, on the panel rack. Yes, this is very important. This is 300 watt solar panel each, and we are using 3 solar panel to power to charge our battery, which is the minimum I will advise for everybody that is going to solar but does not have a lot of money, but for budget friendly, to go for this small size of system with a minimum of 300 watt, 3 pieces of 300 watt mono solar panel, so that for a number of hours of sun you can be able to charge the battery very well. So this is me. This is second panel I install it on the roof. So I've placed the panel on the rack, the second one, and clinging it together with our bolt and nut. So the third one will also come also, and there will be 3. So this is me inside doing the internals. I've installed this is 40 amps PWM charge controller, and this is also the combiner box. What is inside the combiner box is our protective devices, which is our breaker. We have the surge breakers, we have the DC breaker, we have the AC breaker right there, and we also have the AVP, automatic voltage protector, inside the system. And we also have a changeover. Yes, we are not using the normal changeover again. We are now using a changeover breaker, which is very smart and very important, and everything will be inside the combiner box, and it will be very, very convenient and easy, even both for the client. Yes, you can easily change over in that combiner box, which is the breaker box, and nobody will know that you have a changeover inside that place. So it's very easy as we are seeing it. So this is me installing the system. This is me running the internal wire, connecting the breakers, the AC input and the AC output, and also our system is also being connected. We are on the same process. We have installed the inverter on the wall, and we have also connect our solar battery towards to our charger and towards our inverter. So this is the controller. This is what we have from the solar panel. This is voltage, this is the amps rating that is coming from the solar panel. So this is our solar charge controller, this is our inverter, this is our battery, and this is our combiner box. You can see where I indicate the solar and what the NEPA. Yes, that is the changeover. There, this is the system. Our number is on the screen. Then reach out to us if you need this kind of system. We are going to give you a budget friendly system. Thank you.